Alright guys, this video I'm trying to restore a computer mouse. Yeah, so this is the mouse. It's a wireless mouse. You need the keypad. It came with this keypad. So you use this Bluetooth. But now with the keypad everything works fine. You can try with the keypad. See it's working. But for the mouse, I'm having a problem with this. The terminals, they're all rusty. Some have even jammed off. Okay, so I have to replace them. So I've opened it. Oh, scattered. If you don't find troubles, it's just this. Place there. Followed by this placed on it. Yes, this is the layout. So our problem is power coming to this port, a little bit to the side, then you pull it out, so they're all falling out. So I'm replacing this, and I'm replacing that. I must polish it a bit for it to last longer. I don't have new ones. So we'll continue. Okay. It's simple. Just take a knife or a sharp edged pointed something, then you scribble the surface of it. So I have my tea rule. This is normal rule. Be cleaning it. I filed it very well, so it's better than before. You can file it like this. I go to my sweeping iron. I've used for sweeping. It's connected to my power 240 volts. Okay. So I'll be now fine. So I'll be cleaning it with ventilated spirit. Okay. Yes, stick them that stuff. It's clean and neat. Mistakenly changed the terminals. Hope we got them. What just went on? You bring me closer. Yes, indeed. Once has been fixed.